Everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to discuss another past year paper solution, and it is from October November 2019 970912. So let's begin. Here is the first question. Find the term independent of x in the expansion of this. So term independent of x means the x power should be 0, and we know in any general term we can find any general term here, that is, let's say r plus 1th term. R plus 1th term here is going to be NCR. NCR means 6CR, and first term, that is 2x to the power 6 minus r, and the last term, that is second term, 1 upon 4x square to the power r. So this is the NCR, and we'll simplify and we'll take out the x powers and we'll equate it as 0, and we'll get the terms independent of x. So it is going to be 6CR, it is 2 raised to the power 6 minus r, and x raised to the power 6 minus r. Here it is 1 over 4 raised to the power 4 r, and x to the power minus 2r in the numerator, or we can rewrite it as 6CR 2 raised to the power 6 minus r into 1 upon 4 to the power r, and x to the power 6 minus 3r. So for term independent of x, for term independent of x, 6 minus 3r should be equal to 0, or we can solve and we'll get r is equal to 2, and hence r is equal to 2. Which term? The second term. This is going to be third term, and we'll write that 2 plus 1th term, or term independent of x, is equal to 6c2 2 raised to the power 6 minus 2 1 over 4 r here, 1 over 4 to the power 2, and x to the power 6 minus 3 into 2, that is 0. Of course we are not going to get x here, so we'll simplify. 6c2 is 15 into 2 raised to the power 4 into 1 upon 4 raised to the power 2, that is 16 here, and we know these two are same, so cancelled, and the answer is 15. So the term independent of x in the expansion of 2x plus 1 upon 4x square to the power 6 is 15. So I hope it is clear. Let's do the next part. So here's the question number 2. An increasing function f is defined for x is greater than n, where n is an integer. It is given that f dash x is x square minus 6x plus 8. Find the least value of n, least possible value of n. So first of all, for increasing function, f dash x is always greater than 0. So it means x square minus 6x plus 8 should be greater than 0. And then we'll simplify it, we'll factorize it, and it is going to be x square minus 6x means minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 is greater than 0, or we can say x common x minus 4 minus 2 common x minus 4 greater than 0, or we'll write x minus 4 into x minus 2 greater than 0. So we got two values, and for this inequality we know it is going to be like this, and we got two values, that is 2 and 4, and for greater than equal to 0 for greater than 0 we'll get this part, x is less than 2, x is greater than 4. So x is less than 2 or x is greater than 4. So for this least value of n is going to be, and we know it is defined for x is greater than n, so it is for least value x should be greater than 4, and hence least value of n is equal to 4. There can be other value like 5, 6, 7 and all, because any value for more than 4 is acceptable. So the least possible values for of n is 4. So let's solve the question number 3. The line y is equal to ax plus b is a tangent. As is a tangent means it will touch at one point. It is the gradient is 0. At the gradient is 0, so the gradient y a is exactly as dy over dx at some point. So to the curve y is equal to this at the point 2 comma 6, find the values of the constant a, b and c. So the line is a tangent. Here tangent, the gradient will be same, so it means m is equal to a should be equal to dy over dx at 2 comma 6. So we know a is the gradient from this line, and gradient of this gradient at this point will find by dy over dx. So let's find dy over dx. Dy over dx is equal to 6x square minus 10x minus 3. So this is the dy over dx, and at 2 comma 6 dy over dx become 2. So 6 4 are 24 minus 10 into 2, that is 20, minus 3, and the answer is 1. So dy over dx is 1, and from here what we got a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. Next is this is a tangent, and if it is a tangent at this point, it means this line must satisfy, I'll say must satisfy this point. So from here we'll write 2 comma 6 lie on y is equal to ax plus b. So we'll get it from here. 6 is equal to a is 1 into 2 plus b, or we can say b is equal to minus 4. Sorry, not minus 4, it is 4. B is equal to 4. Now let's find out how to get the value of c. From here we can see y is this curve, and since this is a point on the curve, so this will also satisfy the curve as well. So moreover we'll write again 2 comma 6 lie on the curve as well, on the curve. So y is equal to 6 is equal to 2 times x cube, that is 2 cube, minus 5 times x square, that is 2 square, minus 3 times x, that is 2 plus c. The y was 2x cube minus 5x square minus 3x plus c. So I replace the value of x and y by 2 and 6 respectively, and from here we will get 6 is equal to a 2 is 16 minus 5 4 is 20 and minus 6 plus c. So e is going to be this minus 20 minus 6 is minus 26 plus 16 is minus 10, and minus 10 will go that side, it is plus 10. So 10 plus 6 is 16. So from here we got c value as 16. So all values we got: a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 16. So let's do the next question. So here's the question number 4. A runner who is training for a long distance race plans to run increasing distances each day for 21 days. She will run x kilometer on day 1. On each subsequent day, she will increase the distance by 10%. Distance by 10% means it is going to be 110%. We can say from the previous will multiply by 110%. So from here I'll write directly the common ratio will become 110%, and that is 1.1. This is the multiplication factor every day. So previously 10%, so it is 1.1, and day 1 it was x kilometers, so a is equal to x, and on day 21 she will run 20 kilometers, so it means like u20 on 20th it's like 20th term, sorry, 21st term, it is 21st term, u21 is going to be 20. So we are going to use this information to find the question. Find the distance she must run on day 1, that is we need to find the value of x. To in order to achieve this, give an answer in kilometer correct to 1 decimal place. So we'll use u21, and we know u21 is going to be a r to the power 21 minus 1, that is 20, and this is given as 20, and hence we'll replace, substitute the values, and we got x into 1.1 to the power 20 is equal to 20, or we get x is equal to 20 upon 1.1 to the power 20, and this is from calculator, it is 20 over 1.1, it is going to be 2.97 and so on, or we can say the x is going to be till 1 decimal place, so it is going to be 3.0 because it is 7, so 7 will, this will increase, so it's like 3 kilometer till correct to 1 decimal place. So that's the answer for this. Let's do the next question. Find the total distance she runs over 21 days. So total distance means sum of all. It's like you are adding a and ar and ar square and so on till the 21st days, that is ar to the power 20. And since r is 1.1 which is more than 1, so summation of this S21, sorry, I write 20, I don't know why. S21 is a to the power a into r to the power 21 minus 1 upon r minus 1. So let's substitute the value. A is x and x is 3 correct to 1 decimal place into r, that is 1.1 to the power 21 minus 1 over 1.1 minus 1. So it is 3 into 1.1 power 21 minus 1 upon 0.1. So by calculator we'll calculate this, it is going to be 192.00 and so on, so it is going to be 192 only, 192 kilometer. So it is the together, all together she this is a total in during this 21 days period. So that's it for this video. We'll discuss the next few questions in the next video. Thank you so much.